Good day everyone. In today's video I want to show you how to solve field DEM error after mosaicing. Sometimes when we want to fill our digital elevation modeling, it normally sometimes an error message will pop up. In this video I want to show you how to solve the field DEM error. To do that, I will first of all add my digital elevation data, that is the mosaicing data. Okay, this is my DEM. After doing that, I will go to spatial analysis tools, or click on spatial analysis tools. Then I will go to hydrology. Then I will click on field, input surface raster. I will input my mosaic DEM. Then I will choose my folder location. Okay, then after doing that, I will save as field. Then after doing that, I will click on save and OK. So let's see the error message that will pop up. Okay, you can see the error message. Okay, so to correct this error message, I will still go back to my field. I will go back to my field, input surface raster. I will put my mosaic digital elevation modeling, that is my DEM. Then I will choose my folder location. Okay, then I will give it a name, field. Then I will click on OK. Then after doing that, I will go to environment. Then I will go to processing extent. To define my extent, same as layer, that is my mosaic DEM. I will choose as same as layer. Then my raster analysis. Then my mask, I will still choose on my mosaic DEM. Then parallel processing, I will put 0. Then after doing that, I will click on OK. Click on OK again. Okay, so you can see it's running at the downside of my laptop. Please, if you are watching this video up to this very moment, do well to hit the subscribe button. Okay, you can see that our DEM is now filled. Alright, please, thank you very much for watching. Do well to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.